If you're pregnant, please do not use your YouScreen kit. The usual advice for pregnant women is to wait 12 weeks after your baby is born to have cervical screening. And if you're having your period when the kit comes through the post, wait until your period is over before you start. Ready? When you get your YouScreen kit, you just need to find a time when you have a few minutes to yourself. Take the package and find a space where you feel comfortable. Make sure your hands are clean and dry. Read through the information booklet provided in the package. It will answer any questions you might have. You don't need to touch your cervix to get a good sample. The test is looking for DNA. You don't need to worry about whether you will take a good quality sample. Research shows that 99 out of 100 women are able to do self-sampling properly. Take the plastic tube out of the package. Make sure you keep the packaging, as you will need that later. Remove your underwear and get into a comfortable position to insert the swab into your vagina. This could be standing with one foot on a chair or sitting on the toilet seat with your knees apart. Twist the cap and remove the swab from the plastic tube. Keep the plastic tube as you will need it later. Hold the swab at the red mark. Make sure you don't touch the tip that will be inserted to collect the sample, and don't put the swab down. Now you just need to use your free hand to fold back the skin that covers the opening of your vagina. Gently insert the swab into your vagina, making sure you go as far as the red mark on the stick. You do not need to reach further than this. Rotate the swab gently for 20 seconds. This should not hurt. Nearly done. Slowly remove the swab and place it back in the plastic tube. Press the lid and ensure it is closed securely. Grab a pen and write the date you have taken the sample on the tube. Make sure you complete the laboratory request form. Put your sample into the cardboard wallet provided. Put the cardboard wallet containing your sample and your completed laboratory request form in the pre-addressed and prepaid envelope provided. Make sure you seal the bag securely. And finally, simply drop it into any Royal Mail postbox. No postage or stamps are required. You can also return your completed questionnaire by post for free, but please make sure you post this separately to your sample. If you've completed the kit at your GP surgery, you can simply hand the envelope to a member of staff. On the way home or later, you can post your completed questionnaire into any Royal Mail postbox for free. That's it. Your cervical screening made easier.